Dina Guillermo, you should be resigning CTIFI as a teacher aide. You call me magmamadali and you calling you brainwash teacher May nagmamadali. Fuck you, Ate Dina Guillermo. You're not you are a worse teacher aide of CDIFI. You know what? After I defeated Escal Penumbra, after I defeated Don Mardayaw, thank God I defeated them. You know, Ate Dina Guillermo, you don't have learning how to show respect toward that me. At least Ate Rona is very kind. She is not very disrespectful. Oh, Ate Dina Guillermo, have mercy to yourself. You know, for me, this Marcos loyalist wannabe Ate Dina Guillermo should be learn a good attitude. Me, I'm not picking fight with Ate Dina Guillermo. Oh. Yeah, at least probably I go in haircut. I said before, I always do anything. You know, Ate Dina Guillermo, don't be such a rude over at me. I want to suggest Teacher Julie in CDIFI. Replace Ate Dina Guillermo. Pick another teacher aide who's very kind. Oh. Instead of Ate Dina. Oh. You know, Ate Dina Guillermo, you're the one who make a fake account using my fake name to ruin Cedric Mariano. That is your fault, Ate Dina Guillermo. You should never be a teacher aide. Like, for example, in the past, I remember my arch enemy, Gina Sejo. Oh. You should never be a teacher aide. You should be resigned, I say to you, Ate Dina Guillermo. I suggest to Teacher Julie and Teacher Evelyn, I request to fire Ate Dina Guillermo of CDIFI because she is criticizing me. What she said before, nagmamadali. Oh, you know, Ate Dina Guillermo, I would put you in my enemy list. You're the one who brainwash Teacher May. At least Teacher May, I already move on from her. I just leave her alone. If she's in my enemy list, I do not say if she's my enemy list. She's my teacher, or she's my former teacher, of course. I lash her out, or I just let her be. You know, Ate Dina Guillermo, you should be fired. You should be resigned in CDIFI as a teacher aide. Why not bring other teacher aides anyway who's very kind? Oh, Ate Marie has been retired in what is it, CDIFI. Oh, she's already retired because she's overwhelmed. Retired. She was in Tacloban, right? Yes, she is in Tacloban, but she never appear. She always appear when she visited there. You need to replace Ate Dina. At least I don't want to say I will replace Ate Mel because Ate Mel Canete, she's very kind. She's just like Ate Olive. Oh. Similar, Ate Olive, Ate Mel Canete, they're very kind. They're making me a joke. You need to replace Ate Dina Guillermo. You know Ate Dina Guillermo? When you are a Marcos loyalist, why can't you go to Bidbangag and resign? At least, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, my arch enemy, had been resigned also. Oh. She never appeared in CDIFI. This is hard to say. Ate Dina Guillermo has to be resigned. She has to be resigned. She has to be resigned. I'm urging to Teacher Evelyn, Kaka, and Teacher Julie. I tell them, you should fire Ate Dina Guillermo. Ate Dina Guillermo is my arch enemy. You know, Lords Bilyawan. Do not trust Ate Dina Guillermo. Masama pong tao yan, like I said. She is a Marcos loyalist. If I were you, Lords Bilyawan, Tell your mother, Tita Geraldine, be friends with Ate Rona. Oh, ay Ate Rona is very kind. Oh, mabait si Ate Rona. However, once I experienced with Ate Rona, I was with Teacher Maxi, correct. I was been classmate with Lawrence Villawan at the time. Ate Dina Guillermo is my arch enemy. I've been experienced that from my arch enemy, Gina Sejo, Teacher Gemma, or Teacher Honey. I don't like Ate Dina. Even to the past, to Teacher Jessa Fernandez, even Teacher Lendel. Ate Dina is my enemy. At least Ate Pura is not really my enemy, but she is very kind. I remember Ate Pura. That was a mother of Miguel Bonono. If I were you, Ate Dina Guillermo, you have to retire. That's always to be. You're the one who brainwashed Teacher May Tiburcio. I apologize to you, Teacher May Tiburcio, if you're in my enemy list. If you're in my arch enemy list, I know you're my former teacher. At least, I just want to realize you need to fire back at Ate Dina Guillermo. You know, Ate Dina, I will not going to forgive you. You're the one who messing me. You're the one who making fake account of using my name to ruin Cedric Mariano. You're a spy of Dan Mardayaw. And you're the spy of Eskel Penumbra. I suggest to my former teacher, Teacher May Tiburcio, don't listen to Teacher Kel and Eskel Penumbra. They are a spy of Bangag Marcos Jr. They are the spy of Dan Mardayaw. Oh, they are a spy of Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. And even Sangkay John and Romeo TV Vlog. If I were you, Teacher May Tiburcio, I'm not put you in my enemy list. Don't listen to them. Huwag ka makiniwala sa kanila. Like I said, do not listen to them. And don't listen that imbasalt Ate Dina Guillermo. She is an asshole. Walang ya si Ate Dina Guillermo. At least Ate Mel Canete is a pro Duterte. Oh, I listen to Ate Mel. Oh, you know that. I'm urging to Teacher Evelyn and also Teacher Julie, you should fire Ate Dina Guillermo and kick out from CDIFI. She is a spy of Marcos loyalist. She's Ilocano. She is a spy. Because I am angry to all people who are Ilocano. I am against Ilocano. Even Paula Nunez is Ilocano. She's a spy of Bangag Marcos Jr.